In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WordPress password. If you need to update your WordPress password for security reasons, or simply because you want something easier to manage, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your dashboard without any confusion. First, go to your WordPress site and sign in to your admin area. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find most of the settings related to your site, including account and user options. From that menu, click on Users. This section is where WordPress stores user accounts, roles, and profile settings. Since you're changing your own login details, this is the right place to begin. After that, click on Profile. Your profile page includes personal account settings such as your display name, email preferences, and password options. You may need to scroll a little, depending on your screen size or the layout of your dashboard. Now, scroll down until you reach the new password area. This is the section that controls your current password settings. In some WordPress environments, especially if your site is connected with WordPress.com, you may see that password management is handled a little differently than on a self-hosted site. At this point, click on Manage on WP.com. This will take you to the full WordPress.com account settings page where your password can be updated. If you see a separate account settings screen open, that's expected. Once you're there, click on Password. This opens the field where you can create and confirm your new password. When choosing a password, try to make it strong and unique. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's also a smart idea not to reuse a password from another website. Next, enter your new password in the password field. Take your time here and make sure it's typed exactly the way you want it. If your browser offers to save the password, you can decide whether to use that option based on your own security preferences. Finally, click Save Password to apply the change. Once saved, your new password will become the one you use the next time you log in. It's a good idea to store it in a secure password manager so you don't lose access later. And that's it. You've successfully changed your WordPress password. If this is part of a routine security update, repeating this every so often can help keep your account safer.